Pennsylvania-based Asylon Robotics recently announced a new $12 million deal with the U.S. Air Force through the Strategic Funding Increase (STRATFI) program, in conjunction with the Air Force Global Strike Command, to accelerate the adoption and integration of its automated, unmanned security system DroneCore to Air Force installations and facilities worldwide. The STRATFI program is designed to leverage promising designs from the private sector, with the potential to augment and assist the U.S. Air Force, Space Force, and other branches of the armed forces. Through a rigorous selection process, the STRATFI program rewards companies that are consistent with DoD requirements and are well-positioned to transition their technology solutions to various programs of record. While this most recent deal is a significant increase in funding, Asylon has already received more than $4 million in non-dilutive funding from AFWERX spur contracts, including 2 last year for tactical drone development and battery swapping infrastructure for robotic dogs. The Asylon team is excited to partner with AFWERX to continue our mission of helping to better secure the safety of our armed forces and their critical infrastructure. This award, in close coordination with our stakeholders, will build upon our 85,000 successfully executed commercial security missions to enable an enterprise-wide solution for the Air Force, said Damon Henry, co-founder and CEO at Asylon. Under the new multi-year contract, Asylon will work alongside the Air Force Life Cycle Management Center, AFL-SEMC, Force Protection Division, Integrated Base Defense Security System Modernization Branch, AFL-SEMC/HBUM, Security Forces, and Global Strike Command to modernize perimeter security systems using their multi-pronged autonomous approach. While the product might have started as a universal battery swapping system, it has become a comprehensive robotic perimeter security tool incorporating air and ground robotics, mobile sensor packages, and artificial intelligence (AI). Today, Asylon's robotic sentries, working in conjunction with third-party alarms and physical security information management systems (SIMS), can execute pre-programmed missions, robotic first response, and remote command and control. The new STRATFI funding is consistent with CCAF Kendall's March 2022 7 operational objectives to counter modern-day adversaries, which included the need for new modular and scalable perimeter security systems capable of making bases more resilient in contested environments. Azkar Ibrahim, director of DoD at Asylon, said, "We are honored to partner with Global Strike Command in helping them secure and protect some of our nation's most critical assets." Global Strike Command has some of the toughest environmental requirements for robotic systems. The development, testing, and validation of our systems as part of this effort will result in a capability that will drive value across the Air Force enterprise, regardless of location.